Does your car have to be empty if you ship it? Shipping a car involves various considerations, one of which is whether your car needs to be empty. The contents of your car during transport can affect safety, legality, and cost. Here's a comprehensive guide to understanding whether your car must be empty when shipping it, including the rules, best practices, and specific considerations. General rules for shipping a car. First, transport company policies. Overview. Most auto transport companies prefer or require that cars be empty during transport. This is primarily for safety, liability, and regulatory reasons. Common policies. No personal items. Many companies explicitly state that personal items should not be left in the car during transport. Limited weight. Some companies allow a small amount of personal belongings, provided they do not exceed a certain weight, usually around 100 pounds, and are stored securely in the trunk. 2. Safety concerns. Overview. Keeping your car empty minimizes risks associated with additional weight and loose items that could shift during transit. Safety issues. Weight distribution. Excess weight can affect the carrier's weight limits and the balance of the load. Shifting items. Loose items can move around and cause damage to the interior of the car or even pose a risk to the transport vehicle. 3. Liability and insurance. Overview. Auto transport companies generally do not cover personal belongings left inside the car under their insurance policies. This means any loss or damage to these items is not the company's responsibility. Insurance coverage. Vehicle only. Insurance typically covers damage to the vehicle itself, not the contents. Liability issues. Personal items could complicate insurance claims in case of damage or loss during transit. Exceptions and considerations. 1. Limited personal items. Overview. Some transport companies may allow a small amount of personal items if they are securely stored and within weight limits. Guidelines. Weight limit, usually no more than 100 pounds of personal items. Storage location. Items should be stored in the trunk or out of sight to prevent theft and ensure they are secure. 2. Tools and emergency equipment. Overview. Essential tools and emergency equipment, like spare tires, jacks, and first aid kits, are generally acceptable to leave in the car. Recommendations. Secure storage. Ensure these items are securely fastened and will not move during transport. 3. Legal and regulatory considerations. Overview. Certain states and countries have regulations regarding the transport of personal items in vehicles. Compliance with these regulations is necessary to avoid legal issues. Regulatory issues. State regulations. Some states may have specific rules about transporting personal items in vehicles. Customs. For international shipments, customs regulations may prohibit certain items from being transported inside vehicles. Preparing your car for transport. 1. Clean your car. Tip: clean both the interior and exterior of your car. This helps you document its condition accurately and makes it easier to spot any potential damage after transport. 2. Remove personal items. Tip: remove all personal items, including electronics, documents, and loose objects, to comply with transport company policies and ensure safety. 3. Secure or remove loose parts. Tip: secure or remove any loose parts, such as antennas, spoilers, and custom accessories, to prevent damage during transport. 4. Disable alarm systems. Tip: disable any alarm systems to prevent them from being triggered during transport, which can be a nuisance for the transport driver and other vehicles. Check for leaks and mechanical issues. Tip: ensure your car is in good mechanical condition, with no leaks or mechanical issues that could cause problems during loading, unloading, or transit. 6. Reduce fuel level. Tip: keep the fuel tank to about 1/4 full. This is enough for loading and unloading but minimizes the weight of the car. Why choose Route Runners? Auto Transport. Route Runners Auto Transport offers reliable and professional car transport services, providing several advantages. 1. Experienced and professional team. With years of experience in the industry, our team is skilled in handling all types of car transport scenarios, ensuring your vehicle is transported safely and efficiently. 2. Comprehensive services. We offer a range of services to meet your specific needs, including open transport, cost-effective and widely available. Enclosed transport, maximum protection for high-value vehicles, expedited shipping for urgent transport needs, door-to-door service, convenient pickup and delivery at locations specified by you. 3. Transparent pricing. Our transparent pricing model ensures no hidden fees or surprises. We provide detailed quotes that outline all costs associated with the transport, allowing you to budget effectively. 4. Exceptional customer service. At Route Runners Auto Transport, we prioritize customer satisfaction. Our dedicated support team is available to assist you at every stage of the transport process. We provide clear communication, regular updates, and tracking options to keep you informed about your vehicle's status. 5. Safety and security. We prioritize the safety and security of your vehicle during transport. Our professional drivers are highly trained, and we use the latest transport equipment to ensure your car is handled with the utmost care. Additional tips for car transport. Communicate with your transport company. Tip: maintain clear communication with your transport company. Provide accurate information about your car and any specific instructions or concerns you may have. Plan ahead. Tips: start preparing your car well in advance of the pickup date to ensure you have enough time to address any issues and gather necessary documentation. Understand the transport process. Tip: familiarize yourself with the transport process, including the expected timeline, pickup and delivery procedures, and any potential challenges that may arise. Conclusion: whether your car needs to be empty when shipping it depends on the policies of the transport company, safety considerations, liability and insurance issues, and legal regulations. Most transport companies prefer or require that cars be empty to ensure safety and compliance with insurance policies. However, some may allow limited personal items if they are securely stored and within weight limits. At Route Runners Auto Transport, we specialize in providing reliable and efficient car transport services tailored to meet your specific needs. Contact us today at 888-424-4420 or visit our website for a free quote. Trust Route Runners Auto Transport to deliver your vehicle safely and efficiently, and experience the peace of mind that comes with working with the best in the industry.